Good evening, dear students. Now I want to discuss one JEE advanced question, 2024 question. This question is from alcohols, phenols, ethers. Reaction of isopropyl benzene with O2 followed by the treatment with H3O plus forms phenol and a byproduct P. Reaction of P with 3 equivalents of chlorine gives a compound Q. Treatment of Q with calcium hydroxide produces compound R and calcium salt S. The correct statements regarding PQRS is R. So the first one, isopropyl benzene with oxygen followed by treatment with H3O plus. So now isopropyl benzene, this is called cumene. Isopropyl benzene. So this is called cumene. So this cumene is reactive with oxygen followed by treatment with H3O plus. Oxygen. Then cumene hydrogen peroxide is formed. What is this intermediate? Cumene hydrogen peroxide, CH3OOH. What is its name? Cumene hydrogen peroxide. When it reacts with H3O plus, means presence of acid, how it is existed, how it is breaking, acetone plus phenol. Acetone plus phenol. So in the presence of acid, it dissociates to give acetone plus phenol. Understood? Now, once moving to question, here forms phenol and a byproduct P. So this byproduct is acetone. This byproduct is acetone. Okay, phenol plus byproduct. That byproduct is acetone. And P reacts with the 3 equivalents of chlorine gives Q. So 3 equivalents of chlorine. 3 equivalents of chlorine. Then CH3, C double bond O, C, Cl3 plus 3HCl eliminated. So this is called Q. This is called Q. Understood? Now, this Q reactive with calcium hydroxide produces compound R and calcium salt S. Now, when it reacts with calcium hydroxide, now how it is breaking? Presence of calcium hydroxide. Usually, this calcium hydroxide involved in this hydroxide ion involved in nucleophilic addition mechanism. Okay, nucleophilic addition mechanism. So calcium hydroxide is a base. It provides hydroxide ion that is involved in nucleophilic addition mechanism. CH3O minus, then OH, single bond C, S like. Then this lone pair involved in pi bond formation, this bond breaking due to polar CCl bonds. Then which compound is formed? CH3, C double bond O, OH plus CCl3 minus. Understood? Now this acetic acid can provide H plus easily. That H plus abstract by CCl3. Then CH3, C double bond O, O minus plus chloroform. Understood? Chloroform. Clear everyone? But here calcium hydroxide we are taking now. That's why here we can write CH3 COO twice Ca is formed because calcium hydroxide is used now. Here calcium hydroxide is used. That's why here calcium acetate is formed. Clear everyone? Now once moving to question. Here R and calcium salt S is formed. So here R means this one, and calcium salt, that is S. Calcium salt, that is S. Understood? So now what is P here? What is P here? Once observe, what is P? Acetone. What is Q? CH3 C double bond O CCl3. What is R? Chloroform. What is S? Calcium acetate. Now we can answer these three options. Once we can verify these three options. This is one or more than one option type question. Reaction P with R in the presence of KOH followed by acidification gives this compound. Now, reaction of P with R. What is P? Acetone. And what is R? R is chloroform. Acetone, chloroform. Presence of KOH. Followed by acidification, one compound is formed. This is called actually chloretone. Its name chloretone. What is its name? Chloretone. Understood? Now, P with R, KOH. What is the P? Now coming to A. What is the P? Acetone. What is P? Acetone. Okay, P is acetone, yes. And R. R is chloroform. Chloroform. And the presence of base KOH. So chloroform, CHCl3. And you know this is R. Presence of KOH. KOH. Then which compound is formed? Chloretone. Chloretone. Which compound is formed? Chloretone. Understood? Chloretone. Here CCl3. Here OH. What is its name? Chloretone. Understood? So now, yes, statement A is right. Statement A is right. A is right. So here mechanism, how can we write? Here first chloroform, CHCl3, chloroform. So here due to polarity nature of CCl3, then this hydrogen easily replaced with base. Easily replaced with base. Then here water eliminated. So which is formed? CCl3 minus. This CCl3 minus react with acetone. Then chloretone is formed. Nucleophilic addition mechanism. Nucleophilic addition mechanism. CCl3. Okay. Nucleophilic addition mechanism. Then CH3, CH3. Here O minus. Then that CCl3 here added. And followed by acidification. Followed by acidification. Then chloretone is formed. Okay. Chloretone is formed. CCl3OH. Understood? Chloretone is formed. So statement A is right. Now moving to statement B. Reaction R with O2 in the presence of light gives phosgene gas. So that is B. Now coming to B. So what is B? Here just observe. R with O2 in the presence of light. What is R here? Chloroform. That chloroform react with O2 in the presence of sunlight. Gives phosgene gas. Yes, that is also a right statement. Now, chloroform CHCl3 react with oxygen, presence of UV light, then RH nu. So here phosgene, poisonous gas, COCl2 is formed. COCl2. 2 moles HCl. This is phosgene. Phosgene. It is poisonous gas. So statement to B also right. Understood? Now moving to statement to C. Q react with aqueous NaOH produces CCl3CH2OH, CCl3CCOONa is formed. Now what is Q here? Q is, what is Q? CH3 C double bond O CCl3 that reacts with NaOH. Okay, that reacts with NaOH. Now statement C. So CH3 C double bond O CCl3 that reacts with which one? NaOH. NaOH. So OH minus Na plus nucleophilic addition mechanism. Simply it is a haloform reaction. So that is chloroform reaction. Now nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. O minus, this is CCl3. Here OH added like. Then this bonded electrons involved in pi bond formation. This bond breaking like due to polarity of 3 CCl bonds. Then CH3 C double bond O OH. C double bond O OH. OH plus CCl3 minus. CCl3 minus. Now this CCl3 minus can take H plus from this. Then we will get like CH3 C double bond O minus plus chloroform. Then it can be written as, so CH3 COONa, sodium acetate plus chloroform. But what products given here? Here CCl3 CH2OH CCl3 COONa given. So that products are 100% not formed. Clear? This is wrong. So you know, statement A is right, B is right, C is wrong. So which products are formed actually here? Sodium acetate plus chloroform. This is simply chloroform reaction, haloform reaction. So now coming to D. So this is wrong. Okay. Coming to D. What is the statement D here? S on heating gives P. S on heating gives P. What is S here? What is S here? Here S is calcium acetate. Calcium acetate. So you can take calcium acetate. CH3 C double bond O CH3 C double bond O Ca. This is calcium acetate. So this is also called dry distillation. Now on heating calcium acetate, then which compound is removed? Calcium carbonate is formed as byproduct. It is removed. Then what product is formed here? Acetone. What product is formed here? Acetone. So now here when S on heating gives P. So when you heating S, which compound is formed? P. So what is P here? Acetone. So that's why yes, statement D is right. On heating calcium acetate CaCO3 is formed as byproduct. Main product is acetone. Understood? Acetone. This acetone is, what is that acetone? Which one it is? Acetone P. Acetone is P. So that's why statement D is right. Now which statements are right here? A, B and D are correct. I hope Everyone understood this solution? So this is a very clear solution. You can follow this one. Understood? Yes. So I hope everyone can understand this one. A, B, D. These statements are right. Which is wrong? C is wrong. Which is wrong? C is wrong. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.